Welcome to my channel. Today menu would be some bread custard pudding. All right, so in this bowl here, let me show it to you. So this is like 5 slices of bread. I put it in the food processor and I crumble it. Let get crummy. This is the custard powder that I'm gonna be using. Custard powder, 1 can of evaporated milk, half of the condensed milk, and the cinnamon, grind cinnamon, grind nutmeg, and clove. All right, along with the essence, mixed essence, and 2 eggs. Stay tuned. This is the egg. I'm gonna bust the egg into this or crack it. Two eggs. This is the nutmeg. It's about a 1/4 teaspoon. Half of a corkful. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the custard powder. Put it in a bowl and mix it with a little water, and then add it into the milk. Add the milk. And get up a fork and whip this up. Stay tuned. You whip it up until the egg, you know that the egg dissolves into the milk. I'm going to use a little water from this. You want this to dissolve, right? Yes, throw that a little lump here. I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of brown sugar along with the condensed milk, because I don't want it to be too sweet. All right. This is the bread. I'm going to pour the bread out into this pan. Add the condensed milk into this. Ooh, it's fulling. up. This is the 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add it into this milk. And I'm going to continue to whip it until the sugar dissolves. I forget to let you know that I'm going to put 1 banana, so it's going to be, this is the banana, right? I'm going to peel it and then I'm going to put it in at the top of the bread. Stay tuned. This banana ripe, real ripe. Oh, I hate this part. You know, you could put more banana if you want, but you know, this is just good for me. Your choice. I'm going to place it in the oven for 1 hour. All right, stay tuned.